profound impact in so many ways. In the face of challenges and change, trials and transformation, UnityPoint Health stands with our community because this is a community that is made up of individuals and organizations, each impactful, colorful, and vibrant on their own. When these parts of our community come together, we form a beautiful combination of color, light, reflection, and symmetry. A true kaleidoscope that is greater than the sum of its parts.
As we think about everything that 2020 has been, from the COVID pandemic to the racial justice issues that have faced us to everything in between, this year feels like a kaleidoscope. A kaleidoscope is crazy. It brings together light, there's symmetry, there's all these different things. They're all different, but they all come together into something beautiful. And we've seen that in our community this year, and we've certainly seen that in UnityPoint Health. I couldn't be more proud of the people in this organization coming together to face their own fears, to show up and to be a beacon of light at a time when our community is facing a pandemic.
As with many things, it became clear that community support for healthcare and the 2020 Unity Gala event would look much different. In spite of challenges, the UnityPoint Health Central Illinois Foundation was determined to shine a light through the kaleidoscope of our community.
And the main piece of UnityPoint Health Central Illinois is our community. We can't do what we do without the support and without the community that we have behind us. And so we really wanted to take that kaleidoscope image, that kaleidoscope theme, and apply it to Central Illinois region so our kaleidoscope is the community. And that's why I'm so excited to get nationally renowned artists here locally and Jonathan Romaine to really take our theme, take literally pieces of the community together to encapsulate what 2020 is.
Artist Jonathan Romaine has shared his talents to bring this vibrant kaleidoscope to life as a reflection of the year 2020.
So when I set out to create this piece, we wanted to use the idea of a kaleidoscope. And within the painting, we actually have a lot of the issues that we're faced with today inside of that kaleidoscope. Some of the things that are facing us, that we're challenged with, we need to address those issues now from an environmental perspective, from a sociological perspective. All of those things are essential to our very survival, and that's why I'm excited to work with UnityPoint, because when you think about a hospital has to deal with the end results of all of those things. And so they're literally ground zero. And so it's an honor for me to partner with an organization like that has their pulse on what's going on in our lives from every aspect of it.
In the challenging circumstances of this year, the need to support healthcare in our community has never been greater.
This year especially, the services that UnityPoint always provides for our community, especially as it relates to behavioral health issues, now more than ever is very important because of what we're seeing this year.
I think right now is a tremendous opportunity for us collectively to show our healthcare professionals, the people that are at ground zero right now in these challenges that we face, how much we truly support what they're doing, how much we believe in what they're doing.
UnityPoint Health invites you to become a part of the kaleidoscope of color, the beautiful reflection of our community.
In order for us to be there for the community, we're really going to continue to need the community to be behind us.
Visit unitypoint.org/UnityGala to learn more.